In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests to Trello boards. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, collaborating with your team, and keeping track of tasks. But to truly make the most out of it, you'll often need to share your Trello boards with others, whether it's to give them full access to collaborate or simply let them view the board. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of inviting people to your Trello board. Whether you're adding a specific person or sharing a link, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, open the Trello board you want to share. Make sure you're on the exact board you wish to invite someone to, as each board has its own unique sharing options. Once you've got the board open, look to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a Share button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a panel where you can invite people. In the Invitation panel, you'll see a text box here. You'll need to type the email address of the person you want to invite. Alternatively, if you know their Trello username, you can type that instead. Be sure to double-check the spelling before moving on to the next step. Now, once you've entered the person's email or username, you'll see a drop-down menu next to their name. This is where you select the role you want them to have on the board. Roles determine what kind of access they'll have. For example, you can choose Observer if you want to give them read-only access, or you can select Member if you want them to have full collaboration abilities, such as adding cards and making updates. Pick the role that suits your needs. Once you've selected their role, all that's left is to click the Send Invitation button. This will send an email invite to the person, and they can accept the invitation to join your board. Now, if you'd prefer to invite people using a shareable link instead, that's easy to do as well. First, click on the Share button on the board again, just like before. This time, look for the option to create an invite link. Once you click on that, Trello will generate a unique invitation link for your board. Before you share the link, you'll need to choose the role for anyone who joins using it. Similar to the earlier method, you can assign them as a member for full collaboration or an observer for read-only access. Make your selection based on how much control you'd like them to have. After that, you'll see the link appear on your screen. Simply copy the generated link. You can then share this link with others through email, chat, or even your team's workspace, whatever method works best for you. Keep in mind, anyone with a link and the proper permissions can join your board, so share it responsibly. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're inviting someone directly with their email or username, or sharing a link for others to join, Trello makes it simple to collaborate and stay organized. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.